Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math question number 70. Which one of the following is the best estimate of the angle? 下边哪一个是一个对角度的最好的估计 ？Less than 180 degrees， 这个角是小于180度的 ，and that is formed by the hour hand and the minute hand of a clock showing 4 o'clock。那么好了，我们来想一想我们的4 o'clock， 4点钟，这里应该是 12，and this one is 1, 2, 3 and 4。所以说我们的 hour hand 比较胖一点的 hour hand points 4 and the minute hand points 12 and that is 4 o'clock. And the angle here is less than 180 degrees, but the clock face can be divided equally into how many portions? 12，是不是啊？因为 from 1, 2, 3这么绕过来，一共是12份 ，12 equal portions. So 360 degrees, which is one revolution, divided by 12 is 30 degrees for each portion. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 30 degrees times 4, roughly 120 degrees. 大概就是在这样子的一个范围。那么我们来看哪一个角度最接近呢？当然是我们的117. So the answer is option 3. Alright. 那么现在呢，这道题呢算是解完了。那我们要来看一看我们 1 hour for each hour， 我们的 hour hand， 我们的时针，它会转过什么样的角度呢？刚才我们已经算到了是30 degrees， but for minute hand， 我们的分针，它会转过多长的？它会转过多长的呀？好，那我们的分针是不是一圈是转到多少啊？转到我们的是360 ，OK， 没问题哦 ，OK。那这就是我们的这个对于这样子的一个这个理解 ，All right，and that is all for this question. Thanks for watching this video. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.